examination. No? Which subject means physics, chemistry, mathematics, which are?
Uh, language, language, physics, and chemistry is done.
Okay.
Math and bio are left.
Mhm. So how did you do in the physics one, physics examination?
Sir, the paper was only full of
Theory.
theorems.
Uh,
There was no like only
no
five
problem.
marker problems. That's it.
What theorem they gave in the examination? What were
The
theorems?
work energy theorem was
Mm-hmm.
there,
Mm-hmm.
and then the horizontal projectile motion,
Mm-hmm.
range, distance, and then there was one to find acceleration due to gravity one.
Gravitation was
Uh,
also asked.
oh yeah, they have finished it, so they included it.
Hmm. Rest all things we have done,
Then
but
there
gravitation.
was,
Hmm.
I was worried about system and particles, but it was easy.
Hmm. System of particles, you will do it easily because
Sir, but there will be lot of things to memorize in system of particles.
what? Which one? Everything.
Angle. Oh yeah, everything was there,
Hmm.
especially the inertial momentum.
Acha, that one.
I is
Hmm.
equal to m.
Hmm. I is equal to m into r square. Hmm. The rotation part was also there. In rotation, what derivation they asked?
They only asked to reduce the relation between angular momentum and torque.
Oh, that one. So you could have done it easily.
I was saved because that was the question.
See, Haripriya, how you should study, na? The way I teach you, na? Because see the way how my method of teaching and the method of studying, how I used to study. Actually, I take the basic thing. From basic, we keep on deriving things. That's the way of doing physics. Means, if you remember, I just in the work energy theorem, I just stated the work energy theorem that work is equal to change in kinetic energy. Rest all conservation of energy, non-conservation work, that all everything we have derived. Yes, logically.
Yes,
In the essay, also the formula of center of mass also I have derived logically, taking the one formula m1x1 plus m2x2 divided by mass of total mass. So you have to identify that basic formula, and while studying, keep on deriving, because if you remember the derivation that they have asked in your examination, the horizontal projectile. Horizontal projectile is nothing but horizontal projectile or the vertical projectile. That it's called derivation for them, but it's not a derivation for us. It's a problem. Just the application of those three equations horizontally in the 2D plane, na? Vertically and horizontally you apply to find out the unknown things. Yes, na? We do it like a
yes.
problem, but the problem we do it like a problem, but the problem with them is they treat it like a derivation.
Hmm.
But I want you to not treat it like a derivation, rather treat it like a problem. So that when in examination they ask the derivation, but because it's easy for you, because you solve problems like that, it becomes easy for you.
Yes.
Hmm. That's the way. So we were starting binomial theorem.
What did you do in Friday's class, sir? I couldn't take a look at the PDF.
Friday. Friday actually we solved problems. Means the doubts problems she gave, na Diva.
Yes.
Those doubts problems were solved. And that recording is also not there, no? Oh, recording
Not yet loaded,
not
I
yet
guess.
uploaded. Oh, you could have messaged me. I forgot. I could send you the recording links. I'll send you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, after the class only I'll send you, because sharing link is easy for me. But
Hmm.
in the app, sometimes I forget to upload it in the app, because in the app also I have to structurally put the recording. The link I have to attach, that's all. But if you ask, if I forget sometimes, then you can just message me, sir, can you share me the class recording because I was not there. Then and there only I'll share. It's not a problem. Easy.
Sir, what about Shama and Radhika? They're not showing.
Shame, Radhika has taken a long leave. She's told sir her father's message came. She wanted to pause for a while. Means I don't know what's the problem. But she may be studying. She may be taking up to Diwali. Because many students, what's the problem with them? They do not take JEE seriously. How much seriously you take that? Because they think that we'll pull up everything in class 12th. And Shama's exams have started. So he has told sir it's becoming difficult to manage JEE preparation. So I'm doing CBSE preparations only for this time up to class 11. And then after that I'll join. Now once examinations are over and all. So I said okay. But the problem with these kinds of students are they lose continuity and they will regret it later. What if they will do now? If they join again, they will join again and then they will say, "Sir, please repeat it once. What you have taught again." So at that time, I'll tell them, "No, I won't repeat it." It's problematic, na? To repeat. You can if you are pausing at your will. And the Radhika, she has paused before also for a few days. At that time, I had to recover. I had to take her extra classes. This time I told I won't take extra classes for you. If you are not consistent in your preparation, you will lose JEE. So do at her will. Do at your will. Whatever you want to do. How seriously you take examination, that much seriously only this examination will treat you, because you should know this IIT JEE examination is actually the toughest examination in India, that too in world. And if you are consistent in your preparation, in your hard working, then only you will be able to get selected in this. Otherwise, not a chance. And the problems with most of the students is they think that we can get into IIT, means sir, if some sir is teaching or I am teaching, just by I'm telling to you guys also, just by watching the classes, taking the classes, if you are not practicing on your own, forget about IIT. You won't be able to get it. The important thing for IIT is understanding the concept and as much practice as you can, because there are students who are preparing so hard that their BP increases, they get brain fever, they are studying so hard to get into IIT. And if you have to beat those students, you have to work very hard. Otherwise, not possible. The competition is very high. And about Radhika, I'll tell you, Radhika's brother, elder brother, he was studying with me in the last to last year. And he was very consistent. Earlier, he was in VMC classes. He was not scoring very well. Then he joined. And after that, 3 months he studied with me. Then he got to very good college, VIT, Vellore. But at that time also, whenever I used to talk to him, he used to say, my younger sister wants to, she was in class 10 and wants to study with you, but she's not that consistent. Then at that time I told them, I won't be able to teach you because you're not consistent. But then his father actually forced, sir, can you teach her because she's finding it difficult. But again, now if Radhika will say me, or the parents will say to sir, please cover her topics that she lost. I won't cover. Not a game. You have to be consistent in your studies, otherwise not possible. See, what is binomial theorem? X plus a whole power n is equal to nc naught into x power n into a power n minus 0 or a power 0, like that. A power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 a power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus nc3 x power n minus 3 a cube. And I know this, she Radhika na, Radhika will join after this. This is there no, after this Diwali is over, Diwali holidays will be over, and then when she will enjoy completely, after that she will again message me, sir, please can I join again, because it's her habit. Shyama is having exams. He told, sir, full month I'm having examination, and I am finding it difficult to manage JE with the CBSE now. So after this examination gets completed, I'll again join. NCR x power n minus r into a power r. NCN x power 0 a power n. This is the expression of binomial theorem. X plus a whole power n is equal to this. Okay. So this is the binomial theorem. On the basis of this only, everything will go in the binomial theorem. Now, this NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, they are all those combinations, NCR that you do, na? Those things. And here, because you know the series is starting from the 0th term, this is 0th, this is your first term. Actually, if we see, this is 0th, means if we treat it as a first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth, this is nth, n plus 1. So similarly, because 0 is the first one, so n will be n plus 1th term. So how many total how many terms are there? N plus 1 terms are there. Now n plus 1 terms are there. So if I say you any rth term, means r plus 1th term, in this will be NCR x power n minus r a power r. Okay. Now on the basis of this theorem only, this binomial expansion only, you can decide whatever sum you want to find out. Suppose this is your basic one. This only you have to remember. Again on top of that, Haripriya, again on top of that, this what Radhika, she plays tournament also. 11th and 12th are your most crucial times in which you can make or break your career. If you are focusing on together, either totally focus on sports or totally focus on studies. If you want to do perfection in both, you will never be able to do. That's why she finds it difficult. Let's see. So this is your x plus a whole power n. This is the simple expansion of this. Now here the important thing is when this series has a n+1 terms, and the rth term, r+1th term in the series is given by this expression. Okay. Now, if they ask you to find out x minus a whole power n, then what you will do? You'll just replace in the above series. You'll just replace x with x and a with minus a. That's all. So it will become what? nc naught into x power n minus a whole power 0 plus nc1 x power n minus 1 minus a whole power 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 minus a whole square plus and so on ncr x power n minus r minus a whole power r plus ncn x power n minus a whole power n. This is how we do it expansion. So you will find in the series whenever there are odd number here, whenever this is odd 1 3 there, this will also be odd, so you'll get negative terms there. So nc naught into x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x power n minus 2 a square plus and so on ncr x power n minus r minus 1 whole power r into a power r plus and so on ncn minus 1 whole power n into a power n. Okay, this is the series expansion x minus a whole power n. Okay, you understood now? This is the basic series x plus a whole power n, and for this, on the basis of your requirement, you do changes in the left part and the right part and get the required answer. Okay, then let me give you some questions regarding this. Try solving this one. Try to solve this one.
Sir, option C.
Let's see. Hmm. कैसे तुम्हारा आ गया?
Yes, option C.
ओके, first try this question.
Then option B 190.
B 198. Kanishka, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now try to do this one.
Sir, 99 to the power 50 plus 100.
A is bigger. No, they're saying different. They're saying 101 power 50 is bigger.
Could you show?
Let's see. When you take 101 power 50, you can write it as 1 plus 100 power 50. Okay, now if you expand it, it will be 50C0 into 100 power 50, 1 power 0 plus 50C1, 100 power 49, p minus 1 into 1 power 1 plus 50C2, 100 power 48, 1 square. Actually, 1 does not matter here. So if you expand it, you are going to get 50C 50, 1 power 50, like that. So they are saying, now if you take 99 power 50, 99 power 50 is what? 100 minus 1 whole power 50, which is 50C0, 100 power 50 minus 50C1, 100 power 49 to 1 power 1, means all 50C2, 100 power 48, 1 square, like that. 50C50, 1 power 50 minus 1 power 50, which will be 1 over. Now the thing is, if you add these two, 101, 99 plus 100, okay, this is actually 100 power 50. Okay. Now if you subtract, because they're asking this one, if you subtract 101 power 50, which is 1 plus 100 power 50, with 99 power 50, if you subtract this, what you're going to get is 101 power 50 minus 99 power 50 is equal to, even powers will cancel, odd powers will be there. 50C1, twice of 50C1 into 100 power 49 plus 50C3, 100 power 47, like that. Only odd powers will be there. 50C49, 100 power 100 only. If you see this, 50C1 is 50 only. When you multiply, take 2 inside, it will become 100 power 50. 2 into 50, 100, 100 power 50 plus 2 into 50C3, 100 power 47 plus and so on. Some things, few things are there which are addition. There is no minus. So if you see this, obviously this 99 power 50 plus 101 power 50, if you want to frame the inequality, 101 power 50 minus 99 power 50 minus 100 power 50 is actually becoming greater than 0. 101 power 50 minus 99 power 50 minus 100 power 50 is actually becoming greater than 0. So that means what? 100 power 50.
101 to the power is greater.
Yes. This is greater. Interesting question, na? It looked like the other way. See if anyone has doubt, you can ask me. This is okay. Second term, third term. Acha, now the second type of questions that are asked is this one. Try to solve this one.
So is it option B?
Yes, it's option B. Rishka, you're getting the answer or not?
Yes, sir. I am getting.
Sir, actually, sir, could you sure to do it? I just substituted the values in the options.
Yes, let me show you. See, they're asking the fourth term. And I said to you, TR plus 1th term is NCR into x power n minus r into a power r, where in the x plus a whole power n. Correct? Now they are asking fourth term here. So T4th will be equal to MC3. 4 means it is 3 plus 1. MC3 into Px whole power m minus 3 into x power minus 1 whole power 3. This value they have said it is 2.5, meaning 5 by 2. Then it will be MC3 p power m minus 3 x power m minus 6 m minus 3 minus 3 m minus 6. This is 5 by 2. You have to substitute only. You have to substitute this. If you have got this equation, you have to substitute and find. Haripriya, you had got this equation, na?
Yes, sir.
After that, you have to substitute and find only. P can be minus half also, na?
So then it would be negative 5 by 2.
Because 6 minus 3 is negative. Negative value cannot be possible. This is not possible. If m is 3, p is 5 by 2, not problem. Then n won't cancel out. How x? Acha, px is also
Then
there.
for
हाँ हाँ.
A, it would be like x cube is equal to 1 by 2.5. That's 2
Hmm.
by 5.
Actually, this also won't work because it won't cancel. But p may be something, but 3 minus 3 will be 0, na? It won't work. M is 3 won't work. This won't work. None of these you can have doubt. So this you have to substitute. If m is 6, it will become 6c3. P power 3 into x power 3 into x power minus 3. So this will cancel. Now 6c3, if p they have given 1 by 2 whole cube. Let's solve it. It will become 6 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial into
That's
1 by
20.
8. Which one? 6 factorial?
No, 63 is 20.
Hmm. 20 by 8. So 5, 4, 5 is 20. 4 2 is 8. We are getting 5 by 2. This is the right one. You have to substitute and find out. Without substitution, you cannot solve it. If you have solved this way, it's okay. Try solving this one. Here you can solve it properly. This question you can solve completely and get the answer. No need to do substitution.
So is it 5?
It's 5. Correct. It's 5 only. Kanishka, do you want me to solve or you got the answer also?
Sir, I'm just solving.
Okay, keep solving. You're able to solve now? You have formed the equations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See what you will get now. Second means t second means r plus 1. nc1 x power n minus 1
Yeah, I
into.
got the answer.
Very good.
It's option D.
Okay, okay. Then no need to solve, no? Okay. Then
Yes.
end it. Let's end it. We'll continue from next part in the next class.